Google Summer of Code is a global program that offers student developers stipends to write code for various open source software projects. They work with many open source free software and technology related groups to identify and fund projects over a 3-month period. Through Google Summer of Code, accepted student applicants are paired with a mentor from the participating projects, thus gaining real exposure to real-world software development scenarios and the opportunity for employment in areas related to their academic pursuits. So, how does it actually work? Students propose a project for approval by a participating open source organization. Organizations screen the students. Accepted students are paired with a mentor from the participating organizations. Students code for about 3 months, and successful students achieve ultimate glory, a nice paycheck, a cool t-shirt, and a certificate too. So he might be thinking, why should I participate? It's all about recognition, community, reward, exposure, passion, and obviously your knowledge. So now what are the goals? Create and release open source code for the benefit of all. Inspire young developers to begin participating in open source development. Help open source projects identify and bring in new developers and committers. Provide students the opportunity to do work related to their academic pursuits. Think flipbits, not burgers. Give students more exposure to real-world software development scenarios. For example, distributed development, software licensing questions, mailing list etiquettes, etc. What is the eligibility criteria? Must be a student enrolled in a post-secondary school program, college, university, master's, PhD, etc. Participants must not directly involved with Google or have a family member who does so. And for OpenMRS applicants, they must have made at least one coding contribution to the organization before applying. Since its inception in 2005, the program has brought together over 8,500 successful student participants from 101 countries and over 8,300 mentors from over 109 countries worldwide to produce over 50 million lines of code. OpenMRS was formed in 2004 as an open source medical record system framework for developing countries, a tide which rises all ships. It is a multi-institution, non-profit, collaborative led by a team of volunteers around the world. OpenMRS has participated in Google Summer of Code over the last 8 years. There is a wide record for accepted Google Summer of Code students. 197 from United States, 125 from India, 57 from Germany, 50 from Brazil, and many others. The last time what I took from Gsoc, patience, etiquette, real-time experience on SDLC, communication, effective utilization of resources, mailing list, IRC, documentation, mentors help, and community members help. I made a lot of friends and meet cool people out there. Had fun and fun and fun. OpenMRS is everywhere in every part of the world. So here's an OpenMRS atlas. Of course, there had been many past star projects. Atlas Module 2.0, Google Summer of Code 2011, a way for implementations to easily create and maintain a marker in the OpenMRS atlas. RegaDB integration. RegaDB is a database with software tools to store clinical data related to HIV and HCV treatment. System performance and utilization module. Develop an OpenMRS module to supply information on system performance and utilization in order to monitor reliability and impact of the electronic MRS installation. So how can you be a successful applicant? Become an active contributor in the OpenMRS community right away. Read the Gsoc student guide to get familiar with the program. Create an OpenMRS ID and use the personal space in the wiki to talk about yourself. Join the mailing list, IRC channel, and developer forums to meet with other community members and interact. Install OpenMRS to get familiar with how the software works. And these are some of the cool Google Summer of Code t-shirts from the past years. If you want to find out more, talk on internet relay chat, join the mailing lists, follow on various social networking sites, subscribe to the Google open source blog for regular program updates. So, what are you waiting? Be ready. Thank you and hope to see you soon.